Hey, good people, welcome once again to this interesting episode on maize farming using organic manure. So, this farm they planted using organic manure. When the cost of inorganic fertilizers scaled up, what happens actually, farmers retreated back to the use of organic manure. So, this farm was planted using half of the required amount of inorganic fertilizer and organic manure. So this farmer has a biogas, and in his biogas, every slurry that comes from the biogas, he dries them and then now takes direct to the farm to use to plant his maize. So what they did, they actually did zero tillage. That means they sprayed the farm using herbicide to kill weeds, and then they did farrowing. So they made furrows using a tractor, and then after making furrows, they placed the manure within the furrows. And then they left it for 2 weeks before they started planting. So remember, they had done the herbicide, so they had sprayed with herbicide. The herbicide actually killed all weeds, and after destroying all weeds, now the farm is ready for planting. And this is the period that they had also placed the organic manure on the furrows, and it has started also decomposing. And remember, this is coming direct from the biogas, which is already devoid of both the toxic gases like methane and sulfur, so it is good for direct use. Now after that, so after placing the organic manure, they start planting, and during the planting season they apply half of inorganic fertilizer. So in this case, per acre they usually use 75 kgs per acre, but in this case they used half, that is 35 kilograms per acre. You can see this maize has 2 cobs, and each cob has actually produced healthily. This is the effects, or this is the results. You can see how this is behaving. 2 cobs. So this is the results of using organic manure. The importance, number 1, it improves the soil structure. So it makes the soil to be friable, and this assists actually the penetration of roots within the soil. So this organic manure improves the soil structure, making the soil conducive for root development. Number 2, it provides readily available nutrients. What do I mean by readily available nutrients? Organic manure contains nitrogen, it contains phosphorus, it contains potassium in readily available form. It also contains other trace elements. So you find manganese, which you don't get from the normal fertilizer like DAP. The DAP contains only 46, that is 18 nitrogen and 46 phosphorus, devoid of other, it doesn't have other trace elements. But organic manure contains everything. Number 3, organic manure also improves soil aeration. What do I mean by soil aeration? When the soil structure has been improved, the air movement in the soil will be fine. That means the absorption of water and the absorption of nutrients, the combustion that is taking place within the root hairs is enhanced. So also organic manure helps in containing or actually reducing soil water movement or seepage. So it helps in actually preparing the soil so that water doesn't flow to the soil at ease. So meaning it retains water. That's the importance of soil organic manure. So I'll encourage you to do that. Plant using organic manure. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.